Hello everyone, welcome back to another recap. Today I took 3 trades, one with the first percent fair value gap account, and then the other 2 with my main account. It's true that the day at the opening was a little bit balanced. However, the trade with the first percent fair value gap, it doesn't matter. Price action, it doesn't matter bias. It's kind of a pattern. So before it even happened, I know if I have to go long or short once the first percent fair value gap kept formed. As we can see, the first percent fair value gap was here. I should have waited for price to close, for this candle to close below, but I enter here with 6, stop loss around here. I was fine because at the end the next candle closes below, so that was good. But as we can see, I got stop out immediately. As soon as I got stop out, I switch account, I go to my main account. Like I said, price was balancing, price was trading in a range. However, macro opened and I see price, this is the first minute after market open, 9:30. So I saw price doing a lower high inside macro. If we were inside macro, I wouldn't enter in this setup. So that's key for this trade. I saw this inverse, enter one here, added one more here. The one in the middle, it's just the copy account, the account that is copying my main account. So that's why, but it's actually 2 contracts, one here, and I added one more here. My target was a 1-to-1, stop loss around here. Very quick, very fast. Hit my target, my first trade with the main account done. Good trade because it allowed me to add more contracts. So good. After that, for me, price was still in a range. So I wanted to see more information, but then I saw this. If I'm not mistaken, we have an SMT here. Remember, this candle is 10 a.m. candle. Let's go to $10 a.m. candle. So we have that SMT. So that's something that's not enough for me to go long, but it's enough to see where price wants to go. So I saw that SMT. I think we have another SMT here, 10-14. Yes, we do. So while NQ was making lower lows, while ES was making lower low here, lower low and lower low, NQ still holding above. So that for me was key. I waited. I saw how ES took low up there with this swing low, NQ hold above. I waited for this impulse, pull back. Very nice entry, almost to the tick. I always say is we have, hey, how's it going, Hamish? I think the entry level, it's not that it's not important, because at the end everyone can find their own reason to enter on a trade. As long as we are on the correct direction, we are able to read price action the right way, then we all should be good. And why I say that, because some people could say they enter on this fair value gap, or they could say they enter on the inverse. See, it doesn't matter. At the end, anything that push price higher or more upside, it's enough. Any tip on keeping motivation up for trading? I think at the end you have to like it, man. It's like, I don't know if you play video game, but I have played video games and I have lost, and you always go back to play video games because you like it. It sucks to lose, but if you don't like it, then it's more difficult. I understand that we all do this for different reasons. And dealing with motivation when you have to sit here and actually, trading is fun. The hard thing, the bored thing is, yeah, things like this, like doing a recap, journaling, and sometimes give yourself time. If you don't feel like journaling, you don't feel like working on a strategy, just give yourself 1 week or 2 weeks, and then you'll see you'll come back. I think that's what happened to me before. If you really like it, you always come back. Give yourself some time, and I think that's the best. That's what works for me. Will you trade again today? No, that's it. You're welcome, Hamish. I'm also a student. I'm also learning, so I hope my opinion help you, but you must understand that I struggle just as you do. And I'm not trying to portray a professional trader, you know? It's just a very clear opinion. How's it going, Lionel? Will you trade again today? No, I only trade AM session, not even PM session. But I always, in the afternoon, come here and do a recap. The truth is, I have always done recaps, but then I realized I was editing the videos, and I was thinking, I think it's better if I just do it live, record the video, and then upload it to YouTube. So that's what I do. Every afternoon, I go and do a recap of all the trades I took during the AM session. I'm trying a new strategy, and I feel like I started all over again. Then we're both on the same place, brother. I have been trading for 1.5 years, but since I started live streaming, and not because I started live streaming, but it was also aligned with the fact that I wanted to treat trading different. And when I say different, it's, for example, the main thing is that I would not consider myself profitable if I pass a funded account. I would not consider myself profitable if I have a profitable month. I want to do the same thing consistent for 3 months, and then if I am able to be profitable after 3 months doing the same thing, then maybe I could consider myself profitable. But I think one of the things that was hurting me the most was the fact that I was looking for facts, let's call it that way, for facts to consider myself profitable. 1 week profitable, oh, I made it. Oh, this is what it is, I'm profitable. Then next week, of course, I'm not profitable. And it hurt because, like, how come I was profitable? I think I already made the jump. So that's one thing I'm doing different. Just actually understanding that I'm still a student, that I'm not profitable, I'm learning. I think that's very important. That's had made a huge change in the way I see trading. And I'm not afraid nor shy to say that I'm not profitable. At the end, I'm the one working, I'm the one putting the work down. I know that it's meant to be. It just needs time. But yeah, I feel also like I started again. Every time someone asking, I say I have 1.5 years of experience, but I started a new way of trading a month ago. So I want to be judged by that time. I want to be judged like I have been trading for 1 month, because I'm doing everything different. Yeah, that's the same as me. Yeah, I have to say it's not like a different strategy that I'm doing. It's just a different way of trading. But the reading, the entries, I add a couple of rules, but other than that, it's just a different way of trading. I even erased all my journals, and yeah, this what that you're watching here, it's all new. It's like a new trader. I feel like I'm a new trader, and that's also good because I'm not expecting to be profitable in the short term. I expect myself to do the work every day, to execute every day, but that's it. Because that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for, at the end of 3 months, have enough data to see a pattern in the way I trade, and then from there see if I can make a good strategy or something work. For example, even in 1 month, I feel like I have learned and make some progress. Friday was a green day. Monday I didn't trade. Tuesday was a green day, and today was also a green day. First time I do that since I started the past month. That's the first time I do that. Last month was a really red month. I think out of 4 weeks, I had 1 profitable day, 1 green day each week. 1 profitable day, 1 green day first week, 1 on the second, 1 on the third, and like that. But yeah, and it is what it is. I'm still learning. So back to the trade. This is my second trade. In my opinion, beautiful entry. Of course, I didn't know price was going exact to that tick, but still, it's nice. Again, a 1-to-1 trade. Enter here, got out around here. And I was thinking that this is also a nice setup, maybe a nice entry, because if we look at the 5 minute, it's just like a high low. We take high of day, pull back, and then aggressive 5 minute. But the thing is that I'm a little cautious once price take high of day or low of day. I don't know why. I think it's because that's where I see most of the reversal, after price taking high of day or low of day. But at the end, when price is trending, it's all the time taking high of day or high of day. I think with time I will identify when it's a nice pullback for more upside, or this is a reversal. Because if we look at it, it's a down close candle, it's an outside candle, it's too many bearish things, but at the end price continue higher. So that could be another entry, because if one imbalance is working, what is stopping it from working again? That's just the way I see it. But also I got that sense that, all right, okay, it worked once, it probably won't work again. I don't know, it's just thoughts that has nothing to do with trading, and we bring it here to trading. But so I didn't enter there, and that was my second trade. But one of the things I wanted to mention in today's recap is how I was able to identify not only that price could reverse here. I wanted to see if I find the video. It's on YouTube. It doesn't matter if I put it here. But I was saying that NQ was already took Monday's high, and ES at the same time was taking New York high as well. And even though if we do a pullback and not a complete reversal, it was not a good level for me to keep looking for more upside. So because the thing is that I have been struggling identify when this, okay, we are on a trend, price is trending. So the way I trade is I wait for a pullback for more upside. So last month, most of my trade were identifying this trend, waiting for this pullback, and then keep looking for more upside. Just because we were very strong in the opening, I would never switch and identify a shift on the trend. I will keep looking for more upside. That I was struggling the most with that. And today and yesterday as well, but let's talk about today. I was able to identify that. And for me, that's a good step. That's a good step because I zoom out, I look at the higher time frame, I look at ES and Q, saw the level, saw the how extended this move was, and I say, you know what, it's okay if I miss a trade for more upside, but it's after 11, and I think the best scenario here is to just stop trading because we probably do not a regular pullback like this one, you know, a small pullback, or yeah, that one. And since that's my entry, I don't want to get in a deep pullback because I think this was a deep pullback. It wasn't a reversal. Oh yeah, it took a lot of days, so it was a reversal. So I was trying to avoid being on a reversal, and it worked. It worked. So honestly, I would change my two profitable trades, my two green trades, for this knowledge. The fact that I was able to recognize that we could reverse here, for me, it's key. I think I will make more money recognizing this than any other thing. I know once we go over one trouble, we'll jump to another, but let's see if I'm able to just stop making this trade that I was doing last month, and I think I started good this month. Let's see. But other than that, like I say, I don't trade PM. I only trade AM session. 3 trades, one with the first percent fair value gap, another account, that one didn't work, and then the other 2 with the main account, they did work. Very little drawdown in both of them. Nice that this one went a little bit against me. I was able to add one more, target 79, and this one was a beautiful entry. But that was it. Done for the day.